not like this already. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Tom. Now I'm back with another video. BRAT. What's good, y'all? So as y'all read by the title, today I will be unboxing my computer for school. So y'all may know this is my last year. I'm a senior. You watched my Q&A, get to know me. No, I'm a senior. So if y'all haven't watched it, it's gonna be up there. Y'all go check the video out. So yeah, let me give y'all a little background, cause y'all know with this stuff going on, school is gonna be virtual for the first 9 weeks. So that sucks. I didn't think school was gonna end how it ended. I didn't get to like say my real goodbyes to my friends. Like, it just ended like so quick, and it's kind of like I was kind of sad at first, like that senior gonna be online, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So until this stuff is like over, which I really don't feel like it's gonna really be over by the time it's time for me to graduate, but you never know. I hope it do be over so I can walk across the stage, y'all, because I've been wanting on this moment my whole life, to just graduate and just start life. And it's kind of messed up, but you know, hopefully we go to school and it just be like, you know, it'll be better. But until then, I will be dropping some more videos. I'm gonna have like a school supply haul, maybe. I don't know, y'all just gotta stay tuned. And before the video started, I told y'all when I get the 50 subscribers, I was gonna do post notification shoutouts. But I'm already at 62. So thank y'all so much for 62. I can't even talk. Thank y'all so much for 62 subscribers. You have to have your bell notification turned on, and you have to comment first in order to be in the post notification shoutouts. And to get a second chance, all you have to do is go over to Twitter and follow me, Twitter or Instagram. I'm gonna link both of them down below. But I know if y'all, most of the people who watch me look at my intro, they don't skip it. I be seeing y'all like, let's fly intro, this and that. The Instagram and the Twitter that's in my intro, those are like my personal Instagrams and Twitter. Now I have 2 other Instagram and Twitters that that's gonna be strictly for YouTube content. So I cannot change my whole intro around. So just look in the description box and y'all gonna get my new Instagram and follow it, and my Twitter to be in my video for the post notification. I know 62 is not a lot of subscribers, but y'all got me past what I asked y'all for. So we on the road to 100 now. So just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we finna get into the video. So yeah, this is how it looks when it comes in a box. This is the box that it comes in. It says Samsung and Chromebook at the top. Anyways, yeah, so here's the charger for it. I do like this. This is a little cooler charger. It's not too long, y'all. I don't like them long charger cords. Like, it be extra. So yeah, I got this computer from Walmart. It will be linked down below. Also, hit me up on social media if you want AirPods. I'm gonna tell y'all that. So this is what it comes in to protect it. So now, take it out. Y'all don't see that though. Quality, and I like it because it's so thin, y'all. Like, it's just, if this was this like thin like a iMac laptop. That's why I like it. It looks similar. how it looks. Okay, so we about to set this thing up because I have not set it up. Hopefully it's charged. Cause y'all know when y'all buy, most of the time when you buy you gotta make sure it's snapped in. It says Chrome. Now y'all probably can't see it, but yeah. I would prefer y'all to follow the business YouTube account that I have. I mean, the business Instagram account that I have, because that's what y'all see all y'all stuff, like the notification, post notifications, shout outs, giveaways. When I get to that point and start doing that, when that stuff I'll be on the page that I'm gonna link, not the one in my intro, because I just created a whole different page just to keep it professional, basically. So yeah, so when you first turn it on, you get to this screen. I could just walk out through it. So first thing you press let's go, and then you're gonna hook it up to Wi-Fi. So I'm putting in my Wi-Fi password. It says connecting. We're connected, and you're gonna get this Google Chrome OS turn. Y'all know you don't read that stuff, you just accept it and continue. So I'm waiting for it to update. Well, it says checking for updates. So now I get to sign into my Chromebook. So when you get past the terms and conditions or whatever it is, it's gonna ask you for your email or your phone number. I put my email that I use. Gotta check some more terms and conditions, basically. Don't create a whole account. If you don't have an email, you will need to. Well, you really don't, because you have a phone number. But if you don't have an email or a phone number, you gotta create an account. So basically, you just reading the terms if you want to. I'm not gonna lie, I did not read the terms, but I mean, who reads the terms when you're? If you do, not shade to you, but just saying. I didn't. I'm just not gonna lie to y'all. But it says well, TV on Google site. Okay. That joke crazy. When it first came up, that joke said howdy Tom Doll. I like this already. Everything's set up already. Y'all see it? That's cool. But okay. So basically, you in it. You don't have to do nothing but sign in to your regular Gmail account, and that's all, and accept the terms and conditions, because you have to accept them. I just wanted to show y'all what type of laptop I got for school. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to be a part of my post notification game. Make sure y'all follow the links in the description box, my professional pages, my YouTube only pages. This computer will be linked in the description box. And don't follow me till unfollow me. Period. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time. It's been good.